My name is Amy Hennon. I'm the Director of Advocacy and Financial Stabilization at the Maryland Volunteer Lawyers Service. Today I want to talk to you about garnishments and what they mean for you. A garnishment only comes into effect after a creditor has a judgment against you, but once they do, they can attempt to seize wages or assets, including accounts, in order to try to satisfy that judgment. When it comes to wages, that they can seize up to 25% directly from your employer in order to pay on that judgment. Your creditor has to leave you with at least 30 times the federal minimum wage, and currently that is about $217 a week. There are a number of kinds of income that are protected from creditors, and those particularly include federally protected benefits, especially Social Security and pensions. When it comes to accounts, a creditor can attempt to seize 100% of the contents of an account as long as that account does not contain 2 months or less worth of federally protected benefits, including Social Security. So if it does contain that federally protected benefits, the bank is required to review before turning over any funds to the creditor and let them know that it's protected funds and that they cannot be touched. If it contains commingled funds, meaning perhaps some Social Security and some wages from a job, the Social Security is protected and the wages are not. Finally, there's property. It's possible for a creditor to try to go after property that you might own in order to satisfy a judgment. This is particularly common with homeowners association and condo associations. They may try to seize the real property that is associated with that. It is possible to exempt particularly assets, particularly accounts that you may have if you want to protect them for your creditors, but it's not automatic. You have to affirmatively file in order to protect it. Presently, Maryland has the right to protect up to $6,000 just for whatever you would like to protect. There is a form that you have to file. I would encourage you to utilize the services of the Self-Help Center in order to obtain that form and figure out how to fill it out properly. If you want to reach the Self-Help Center, their phone number is 410-260-1392, and they can be reached between 8:30 a.m. and 8 p.m. Monday through Friday. I hope this has been helpful, and I wish you luck.